Okay, the fourth and final step is creating an outgoing, and that just simply means that you're going to create an automation that will automate leads out of Sendleads from a list that you choose. And to do that, we're going to look and see if we have any set up first, and then we're going to add one. And when you add an outgoing, you're going to name it to the destination or specific information about the destination. And then from there, you're going to choose what list you would like to send that outgoing. And then you're going to select the duration. The tutorial on the duration is a separate tutorial. But for now, we're going to choose now on, which means only leads from this point forward. And here's where you choose the integration. Now, the integration in this case is a more complex integration because it's an API where we'll be selecting the type of event and URL and mapping the fields. Most other integrations, or all other integrations, will be connected on the integrations page, and this won't apply. This specific scenario is only when you're creating custom API integrations out to clients, where they give you the mapping field, where their mapping field is on the left, and your system values are on the right, on the screen right now. So keep in mind that when you choose your integration here on your outgoing, if it's already been connected, this won't apply. But because APIs are so common, I wanted to do a tutorial that shows you how to set up and map them. Now, you're watching custom fields right now. This is the same thing as like a hard-coded value, where if there's a value that has to be passed every single time, or something that is a part of the API is always the same, and this is the section you would do that in. Certain types of integrations require headers. This section is available for use. It's more advanced. If you're newer to integrations, I would contact us for help. And then here's the advanced configuration where you can choose how many leads you want to go out, if you want to prevent duplicates from going out, and whether it's email or phone, and then the expected response. Now, the expected response is where you tell Sendleads, hey, when I send a lead, look for this term. If that term exists, then that means my recipient or the destination got the lead successfully. And that's how we keep track of it for you inside of Sendleads. Now you can test the integration by putting in arbitrary values so that you can see if the integration is working. And then after you type in those values, you have three options. You can save it as a draft, you can publish it, or you can test it. In this case, and in almost every case, you want to test integrations to see, hey, is this working? Is it set up properly? Are all the fields there that I needed? The destination will return a response. We'll log that for you right there for you to view. And then from there, you can decide, hey, it's good. I want to publish it. Or no, I'd better save it as a draft. Something's wrong. And that's really it. That's setting up an outgoing. The outgoing will now wait for leads to come in.